Hey skincare lovers, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be telling you how to lighten your skin in a very healthy way, okay? So that you can avoid all these sunburn, whatever, white skin tags, hyperpigmentation, you name it. We're not doing that in this space while I'm here. I'm not talking about someone who wants to go from the shade, maybe my own shade now. I'm not that too fair to shade 10. If you want to lighten your skin from let's say you are just caramel and you want to go a shade lighter or two shade lighter, that's what we're going to be talking about today. Okay, let me tell you, if you're trying to get your body wash, let's start with the body wash, because me, I believe that body wash does a whole lot. So I will advise you, but you can do whatever that pleases you, but just use this how do I say this? Use this tactics that I'm going to say today to work it out for you, depending on what lotion or body wash you're using at the moment. So I have this body wash here. I've used this body wash and I really like it. So because I just want my skin to be brighten up or just lighten, maybe a shade lighter than what I am right now, I use this one. I use this body wash. I'm just telling you, if you want your shade to be a shade lighter or two, use this body wash because it contains ingredients that is going to lighten you. Now, you don't want to lighten so much so that not when people who used to know you see you, they're like, oh, you're bleaching, those kind of uncomfortable talk. So now what you have to do, hold on. Now, what you have to do is to get a body lotion that contains only one brightening ingredient. This one is vitamin C. The other one contain, I think, okay, this one contain alpha arbutin. Okay, this one contain only vitamin C, and it's not even in a very high quantity. So using this products like the two of them is going to gradually help brightening you. If you're not consistent, it's going to lighten you maybe one shade or two shade lighter. That's how to use sense to brighten yourself. Not when you are just like a dark person, then you're gonna look for all this European white, except if that's what you want. Or no shade, okay, except that's what you want, is okay. But I advise to do it in a very healthy way. Just do it gradually, don't sky, except, or maybe you are a very fair person, you can also just use that, because that body lotion have people who have that skin tone already, so it's going to just work with their skin. I'm just trying to tell you how to gradually lighten up without looking like, you get what I mean. So yeah, so another body lotion and body wash that I have that can also use to set an example is this one. This one is a body lotion. It contains alpha arbutin, kojic acid, and it's going to lighten you. This one is going to lighten you, okay? And I'm also here with the body wash. It's going to lighten you. If you want to go two shade lighter, come and get these ones from me. I will sell it to you. Come and get these two. If you want to lighten very fast, you don't want to do it in a gradual way, come and get these two products, because this one contain lightening ingredient and the body wash as well. But if you want to do it slowly, the way I said it, the way I'm just using this ones to give an example. Do you understand? You can as well use this two and it will still work. You can still use that and this one, it will still work. Or if you don't want it to be too visible, you can leave this one, you can leave it and use this too. Your skin will just be brighten, radiating, instead of doing it fast. They're too fine. You know what I'm talking about. They're too fine. But if you already have a brightened skin, let's say you're a very light person, you're very light in complexion, this one and the body lotion is going to work perfectly for you. I'm talking about when you want to now go a shade or two lighter than your current skin color. Okay, now you have to go and look for European white. Do you know that European white? I've heard so much about that lotion. Even me, I'm even scared of touching it. So yeah, aside of all these things that I have said, you also need to exfoliate, right? One thing I really like about this body wash also is that it's also going to exfoliate your skin. The they used to put an exfoliating stuff. I don't know whether that thing is sand, because in my opinion I think it's sand though, because I've used it before. It looks like sand. And also this one have that exfoliating stuff inside. Even if you're not scrubbing every other day, because your body lotion contain an exfoliating ingredient, it's going to easily exfoliate your skin. But if you are using body wash like this one that does not contain any exfoliating ingredient, you will need to be exfoliating all the time, so that when you put out your body lotion, it's going to work on your body oil. Do you understand? The last but not the least, it is the sunscreen. When you use body lotion and body wash that contain too much active ingredients, I will advise you to get this, what's the name of this sunscreen? I'm going to put the name here. I'm going to put the name so that you can also wear it on your skin anywhere that is being exposed to the sun. Okay. And also, even if you are not using too much active, it's still important that you wear your sunscreen. It's very important too. Very, very important. For me, like I said before, that's my worst skin routine, but what can we do? You still have to wear it. So if you do not know so much about body lotion, body wash, how you can gradually lighten and brighten your skin, you can send me a message so that we can talk about it. I do skincare consultation for people. All you have to do is to send me your picture with no filter and tell me what are your concerns. Then I will recommend the best product for you. It's a paid consultation anyways, and if you're buying from me, there will be a little discount. Why is not free? Because sometimes when you're done talking to customers, they go elsewhere to buy it. I don't have problem with you buying. I'll even give you list to go and buy somewhere else, but you have to pay for my consultation. Do you understand? Anyways, if you are confused about what I have said, or maybe you don't understand it, put your question in the comment section, and I would like you to like this video so that so many other people can see it. Okay, subscribe to this channel, because I will be bringing you so many skincare tips that will help you glow. Okay, maybe if you want to have a skin like mine. Yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.